I'm flying!
Oh, hello! Did you know September wasn't originally the 9th month? It originally was the 7th month in the Roman calendar. Its name comes from septem, which means 7 in Latin. But when January and February were added later, September got bumped into 9th spot. Even though it moved, the name stuck. For Filipinos, September marks the start of the Burr month. September, October, November, and December, which means the one thing: Christmas is coming! The festival spirit kicks off with holiday music, decorations, and excitement filling the air. It's a unique tradition that makes September extra special here in the Philippines. And here's the fun twist. September is the only month where the number of letters matches its position in the year. 9 letters for the 9th month. So next time when September rolls around, remember its history, the Filipino Christmas countdown, and all the exciting changes it brings. Merry Christmas!